Learn English and talk not. Word forms: listening, speaking, writing, reading. An overview of noun and verb forms. Bana writing kaditi. Tin bukon kalinki tin bana translate. Kitin ngacho and listening ngulodamo, speaking ngulodamo, writing ngulodamo, reading ngulodamo. Bukon tadian bana jagwich. Titi chalake noun forms. Noun shirkan ka shun ngwane kwala shola noun forms. Manyam gwasame listening liang, speaking rach, writing gwar, reading queen. So that is their meaning in Nuer language or Toknat. Listening liang, speaking rach, writing gwar, reading queen. Bane tinchal ke verb forms bane ke kui gwasame enyok. Listen lingni singular, lianga plural. Listen lingni singular, lianga plural in Toknat. Speak raisni singular, raiche plural. Speak raisni, raiche is plural and raisni it is singular. Write gori singular, guare plural. Write gori singular, guare plural. Read queni singular, quene plural. Read queni singular, quene plural. En chegut